Okay, earlier I tested what happens to my files in Google Drive if I put them in a shared folder on a Google account that goes away. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to test a slightly different variation to show you what happens when I have a shared folder of my own and another Google account put their Google Doc in my shared folder, and then their account gets deleted. Let me set this up. So you can see I'm logged in here as burrisconsulting@gmail.com. I have a folder called testing. In that folder called testing, 3 files belong to me. 1 file belongs to Boppy and C. I actually went back and recovered that account after I tested the other scenario of my files in their system. But I had them put a file in my testing folder alongside with my other files. So let me go to that account. Here it is here. And you can see shared with me, there's that testing folder that belongs to Burris Consulting at google.com, Burris Consulting, at gmail.com. There's the folder. And in the folder, there's the 3 files that belong to Burris Consulting, and there's the 1 file that belongs up here in the right-hand corner to boppync at Gmail. All right, now I'm going to delete this account, and let's see what happens with this file that this account has shared in the other Google Drive. So let's go to email. I'm going to go to manage your Google account. I'm going to come down here. I think it's under data and privacy. Right here, where did it go? Delete your Google account. Now I got to type in the password. Hit next. Download your data. It says all this stuff that, I want to do. I don't want to do any of it. Yes, I acknowledge I'm responsible. Yes, I want to permanently delete, and hit delete. Signed out, synced as Paul's. It's gone. Your Google account and all of this data has been deleted. So I go to Gmail and I hit refresh. It's gone. Now it wants me to log back in, but it's gone. So let's ignore it for right now. Let's go back to the other account. Now there's that file. I haven't hit refresh yet, but there's that file that belongs to Boppy NC. Let me hit refresh. So I hit refresh and the file went away. My folder, which still belongs to this account, burrisconsulting@gmail.com, with all these files, is still there. Now, previously in the other scenario, when my file was saved on someone else's Google Drive and that account went away, that file was moved to home, and it's not here. It no longer exists, probably because it never really belonged to me. It belonged to the other account. So the bottom line is the Google Doc that an account saved in one of my shared folders, when that account goes away, so does their files. Now, if you wanted to make sure you didn't lose it, what I would have recommended you do is make a copy of it. But if you didn't know the account was going away, you couldn't have prepared for this scenario. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.